What's up, guys? You're welcome again to Need Tech Tips, and it's nice to have you back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the free SSL from Let's Encrypt from Cpanel. The first thing is to log into your Cpanel account or log into your web hosting account and navigate to your Cpanel. From your Cpanel, you want to scroll to find Let's Encrypt right here under security section. Just click on it. The next thing is to select issue just in front of the particular domain name that you'd like to install SSL for. For this domain name, SSL is already installed, but just to show you guys how it's done, click on issue. Then you come right here to click on issue as well. So it says the SSL certificate is now installed onto the domain. So basically that's the process to install SSL. The next thing that you need to do is to log into your WordPress website and then make sure that you change it from HTTP to HTTPS. So guys, that's it on how to install Let's Encrypt from Cpanel. If you like this type of videos, make sure to click on the like button and as well share to others, and also click on the subscribe button and activate notification so that you can always get notified whenever we publish new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next one.